When it's time to replace or upgrade the windows in your home, choosing the right product is only half the equation. The other half lies in how those windows are installed. For homeowners in Rayne, professional window installation offers more than convenience. It plays a critical role in long-term durability, energy savings, and overall performance. The difference between a long-lasting investment and ongoing repair costs almost always comes down to expert workmanship. Proper installation prevents structural damage. Your windows are part of your home's envelope, working alongside siding, roofing, and insulation to protect the structure. When windows are not installed correctly, moisture can seep into the framing and drywall. Over time, that moisture may lead to mold growth, wood rot, and foundation shifts. A professional window installer understands the correct sealing techniques, flashing placement, and caulking methods that ensure no water intrusion. In a climate like Rayne's, where humidity and rain are part of everyday life, this protection is essential. A professional crew measures your existing openings precisely and ensures your new windows fit snugly, preventing the gaps and misalignments that can lead to hidden long-term issues. Energy efficiency starts with a tight seal. Many homeowners choose new windows to improve insulation and lower heating and cooling costs. But even the most energy-efficient window won't perform well if it's installed improperly. Professional installers know how to secure the frame, level the sash, and insulate around the perimeter of the window so it performs exactly as the manufacturer designed it. Drafts, air leaks, and heat transfer are usually the result of poor installation rather than cheap materials. With professional window installation in Rayne, your home maintains consistent temperatures more easily, and your HVAC system doesn't need to work as hard. That translates into real energy savings month after month. Manufacturer warranties rely on proper installation. Most premium window brands offer warranties that protect homeowners from defects in glass, frames, and hardware. However, those warranties often depend on proper installation by trained or certified professionals. De-installation or using someone unfamiliar with brand specifications can void the warranty altogether. Hiring a professional gives you peace of mind. Not only is the workmanship guaranteed, but you also maintain your manufacturer warranty, protecting your investment for decades, not just a few years. Professionals have the right tools and expertise. Window installation requires technical knowledge as well as the right tools for cutting, sealing, insulating, and leveling. A seemingly small mistake, like driving a screw too tight or using the wrong type of foam, can compromise the frame or warp the sash. Professionals know how to avoid these problems and follow the proper installation sequence for lasting results. They're also familiar with local building codes and Rayne's climate considerations. That means your windows are installed in a way that meets safety standards while offering year-round protection against sun, wind, and precipitation. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. Even if a window looks fine at a glance, small imperfections can reduce long-term curb appeal. Misaligned frames, wavy caulking, uneven spacing, or visible gaps can make a home look unfinished. Professional installers take pride in clean lines, seamless trim work, and tight seals for a polished final appearance. From a resale perspective, potential buyers appreciate not just the type of windows used, but how they were installed. Professionally installed windows are a selling point because they signal low maintenance and long-term reliability. Professional installation means peace of mind above all. Professional installation delivers confidence. Instead of worrying about future drafts, leaks, or structural issues, you can enjoy a more comfortable and efficient home the moment the project is complete. The job is done right the first time and backed by both product and craftsmanship warranties. When upgrading your home in Rayne, window durability doesn't depend solely on what you buy, it depends on who installs it. With expert installation, your windows will deliver peak performance, minimize energy loss, and protect your home for years to come. Investing in professional service today ensures your home remains efficient, secure, and visually appealing long into the future.